Hello students. In the second session of our ongoing discussion on the p block elements, we are going to discuss group 14 elements. Group 14 in the periodic table consists of carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Since carbon is the first member of this group is also known as the carbon family. These elements are also known as the tetrals because group 14 was conventionally known as group 4th B. The electronic configuration of these elements is Ns2 and p2 in their valence shell, that is the outermost electron is in the p orbital. Now let's have a look at some of the general properties of group 14 elements. As we move down the group, the metallic nature of the elements increases. The first member, that is carbon, is a non-metal. Silicon and germanium are metalloids, whereas tin and lead are metals. These numbers shown below each element show the atomic radius of that element in terms of angstrom. So as we can see, on moving down the group, the atomic radius increases because at every period a new electron shell is added. The most common oxidation state of these elements is +4, but they also exhibit +2 oxidation state whose stability increases as we move down the group. Therefore, tin and lead show stable +2 oxidation state in their compounds. Only carbon among the group 14 elements forms negative ion, that is C4- ion, which is known as the carbide ion. The group 14 elements show a general decrease in their melting points as we move down the group. The same is the case with their boiling points. The melting and boiling points are higher as compared to the group 13 elements. On moving down the group from carbon to lead, we can see that there is a general decrease in the ionization energy, which is mainly because of two factors. First is the increase in their atomic size, and second is the screening effect of the inner electrons, which increases on moving down the group. On moving down the group, the electronegativity does not follow a general trend, but these elements are more electronegative as compared to the group 13 elements. As we can see that the electronegativity values of these elements does not follow a general trend, but they are definitely more electronegative as compared to the group 13 elements.